Item 3.7, report of the Auditor General on
ebi byaba mushutama rw'ishengyero rwabaherizoba rwabarwebembiro mukuru w'empanura z'ishengyero ry'ihanga Right Honorable Anita Among wanyuma yo kumara esabiti ziri kuhika 2 omu kihumuro. Speaker yatandika rukushobora abanyishengyero ngo obwire bw'enjura butandikire ngo n'emyanya emwe n'emwe omu rubuga bw'izoba bw'ihanga tekyerabwa atyo nikwo kushaba gavumenti okwimukiramu.
The rains in eastern Uganda have ravaged in various districts, notably in Kapelebyo, Otuke, Alebtong, Amuria, Abim, Bukedea, and most parts in Soroti. Transport infrastructure and other livelihoods have become severely affected. I am told people in Blambul even don't have food.
Nabwanyuma abanyishengyero abandi ngo wabuhweju Honorable Biraro Gashanga Ephraim, Honorable Nyongore Enoch nikwe kugambira ishengyero mu gavumenti banagirire yarimwa kukora enguudo okusya abantu amizi hamwe n'ebindi ekireetire abantu babarugaho ngu tibarikukora.
Nabuuza ku rugabiro by'okwezi 20 okwezi kwa mwenda omwaka ogw'2022 buhweju tukaterwa enjura nyingi munonga kandi n'emyaka endijo gumene kurataho buri kwezi kwa mwenda kuzo ku 11 okwa katano kuzo kwa kata okwa mukaga enjura neshenye mahanda etwara n'abantu ebamaraho mwene chinkwe nabuze cyane ni muvuga no speaker ashobore kana gavumenti ekore noja ngu report zikweto mu parliament zibazafaki
umushitamando rumwe babanyishengyero ku rugo mu rubajo rukuhakanisa gavumenti ababara mu Honorable Semujunganda, Honorable Mathias Mpuga bashaba minister w'enshonga z'omundu mu ihanga okubagambira akusamugumya akumirwe bwanyuma yo kwatwa enshumi nche hingwire.
The Honorable Semuju in passing mentions the abduction of a citizen well known to all of us in the name of Sam Mugumya, that up to now his whereabouts are unknown. Will the Ministry of Internal Affairs volunteer information to this country whether he's in knowledge of the whereabouts of a one Sam Mugumya?
So balange byabesije bitabakwatako. Sam Mugumya bamuwamba mbalala. Wiki namba tetumanyi gyali. Tewali atubulira kati speaker abadde ampite wali ku ntebe ngangamba bamuwambaddi ng'alinganga atali mu Uganda. Minister amugembo agende ate report okusiba omuntu minister kimota gisida chikatano okufuluma nakubira ebitongole bya government. In fact when WhatsApp group one time nayo nalimbuzo tafiyo nanga kandike ku WhatsApp group in 10 minutes era mpadde answer. Nenuza bali mukobane nti speaker tuyambire tujja kudda mu bibuuzo ebyo. Speaker w'ishengyero nko kushaba minister w'enshonga z'omundu mu ihanga okuleta ekihandiko anshongezi. Gasha kwa Ronald Ngabirano abwa tayari West Omar Kampala.